Hey guys, I make this video for making evolution. How should we make our evolution is a perfect way. So I'm here to show you how to make evolution in a perfect way that are that are everyone should uh, know about this. So I'm gonna show you guys. Like there's the things like first of all you would have to wash your hands all over the way.
Then put some water into your mouth and gargling 3 times like this.
Three
Okay.
times
Then
and three times
three
now
time put some water into
like
nose.
this.
Okay. And removing from the
Like this,
other
okay,
hand. Okay.
and then
Not
three time
this.
wash
And then
face, okay, like
three
this.
time wash your face. Start from head and until the chin. And one ear to another ear. Okay. 3 times. And also finger in your bear, like you have to also give water of your bed so that should be
Then
wet. And then 3 times
full of the things, okay, like this.
give water on your hand like this, which I am doing. And
Like
then
this.
give water in other hand
It's cold,
properly.
but
and
when you have a spiritual,
and make sure
when
there
you
is
are
no
spiritual strong,
wet
there is
place.
no cold,
Okay,
okay.
there is no
So be
dry
spiritual
place.
strong.
So make sure
Make your connection good
all
with Allah,
hands are should be
okay.
wet. Okay,
This is the better idea.
like a
Then
proper way.
like this,
And then do a masa.
all the
Is
way,
it is called masa? Like
all
you
the way,
put
like this, all this,
uh,
this,
take your
this,
hands from head to
this,
back uh, neck all the way. You have to get it.
all the way, okay.
Okay,
And
then
then
you have to give water
all the way
to your foot
your foot,
properly.
all the way your foot.
Give water that no place should left dry. So whole food should be must be uh, wet. So let's be a clear things. Okay, that's the way of making ablution.